Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with today's show. All right, so say this Rui Burgess, this Portuguese manager, Baba they talk tough. In fact, I dey check the Arsenal website for the preview of this game. I can't see where Arsenal by themselves post wetin this man talk. Baba say wetin Arsenal go see today for Sporting Lisbon Stadium. Say Arsenal go see something wey be say they never see before. Something wey Sporting never do before. Omo, the level wey this man don carry this match go. From yesterday, they already dey talk say for this match no favourites, which is a lie. Because when you look at the bookmakers, they have made Arsenal an overwhelming favourite. But that one normally now on paper, we will still get there. I'll show you the odds so then give Arsenal the odds. Even though Arsenal are away, odds, then imagine if Arsenal come dey home. Also then give Arsenal as an away team, also then give Sporting as the home team, also then give Bayern, and also then give Real Madrid. Now Real Madrid and Bayern, na im be when you look at on paper, I'm talking about odds now on the balance of probabilities. Real Madrid and Bayern, na im be say no favourites. Anybody fit knack anybody based on their odds. Because there are factors that they consider before they give teams all this type of probability based odds. Now, we will come back. Let's take a step back. Look at the Arsenal website. Preview Sporting CP versus Arsenal. Now, lengthy reports. When they talk about wetin Arteta talk, they wetin Rui Burgess talk. Now, we will read wetin Burgess talk. Now, Burgess say Arsenal is a great team, and great teams always want to win. They want to be in all competitions. They will be like a wounded beast tomorrow. They will be more focused, more willing to show their collective and individual capacity. Now, for context, wetin dey talk be say based on say we don lose our last two games, everybody don dey look down on Arsenal. Everybody don dey look Arsenal like a calamity-based team. Like the nerves are there, they are scared. So Arsenal go wan respond. So him come dey talk say e for make sense say Arsenal win that Southampton game. Because the way wey Arsenal go take approach this game now, if to say dem win Southampton, the seriousness no go dey there that much again. But based on say Arsenal don lose like back-to-back, Carabao Cup they went out, FA Cup they went out. If Sporting come beat them today, na go be say they are on their way out of the third competition in like how many weeks? So you get the point. So context established, let's proceed. Now, frankly, I think it will make things more difficult for us. The fact that they have not had the best two last matches, but Arsenal will be facing a very motivated team. We believe we can do something extraordinary tomorrow, that is today. Something that has never been done by Sporting before. Omo, when I read that line, I was like, wow, this game, it go too sweet. Because me, I know, say them no go play 10 men behind the ball, they go come aside. And I don't check some of their players, their captain no go dey. Their big money striker, I don't know that their name, whether a Greek striker, one name like that, he no go dey. I don't check one of the best wingers, Giovanni Coenda. Hey, Coenda the bar, Coenda no go play. From my research, just like as we said, we get Bukayo Saka wey no go dey, and some players for our own side, abilities wey no go dey. Na so them self get their own player. In fact, that captain wey they miss, gone, he go pain them. He go pain them. Now, continuing in the report, so we have lost just one of our previous 11 games against Portuguese opponents in major European competitions. Win 5, draw 5, losing 1-0 at Porto in February 2024 in the Champions League last season. However, we have never won away against Portuguese opposition in the knockout stages of a major European competition. We will change that today. This is just Sporting's second appearance in the European Cup, Champions League, quarter-final stage, previously been eliminated by Real Sociedad in 1982-83. Sporting have won all 5 of their home games in the Champions League this season. The longest home winning streak by a Portuguese side in the competition since Porto in 1999. We have the lowest per game average in the Champions League this season for goals conceded 0.5, XG against us 0.75, and shots on target face 2.7, which means on average, like in let's say maximum go through the face now, like maybe 3 shots because our defense tight. But that was then. These days, I don't know when they happen. While we have also trailed for the fewest minutes of any team in this edition for the two, Luis Suarez has scored, that's their own new striker. Luis Suarez has scored 5 goals for Sporting in the Champions League and could equal the club record for most goals in a single European Cup Champions League campaign set by Victor Gyokeres, which is 6 goals. That guy is trying best to fill Gyokeres' shoes. Now, based on XG, expected goals of shots on target fakes, exclusive own goals, David Raya has prevented more goals than any other goalkeeper in the Champions League since the start of last season. Sporting's 5-0 win over Bodo Glimt last time out was their first victory in the knockout stages of the Champions League, having failed to win each of their previous 7, drawn 2, and lost 5. You get. Now, when you look at today's games in the Champions League, Real Madrid versus Bayern, look at the odds wey dem give Real Madrid wey dey home, 2.78. Look at draw, 4.13. Look at away, Bayern, 2.42. So you go see say Real Madrid and Bayern, na that one be so originally, yes, anybody can beat anybody. Their odds are just quite similar. Look at Sporting Lisbon versus Arsenal. Sporting wey be say na dem dey home, 4.49. Draw, 3.77. Arsenal wey dey away, 1.90. What does that tell you? On the balance on probabilities on paper, because all these things na projections. On paper, Arsenal supposed to win. On paper, we are a better team than Sporting. On paper. But no be on paper they dey play game. When match starts, you might see a different thing, or you might see the same thing where they don't project, because this is a projection, you get. So now so it just be. Now, when you can't enter the Arsenal game, can't check who and who go they available or not available. Look at Sporting column. You go see Holmesland will be their captain. Now yellow card in longer, just like as Zubimendi and Nogard now, they are 1 yellow card away from missing the second leg. Now what to make Holmesland miss this first one? Then this is a big money striker Leonidas. Since February now the guy don't get injury. Then Santos injury, then questionable. Luis Guilherme, these two people are winger then be Luis Guilherme and their 19-year-old winger Giovanni Coenda. When we play that time, we'll be in 5 for more. I see the guy. I say no, this guy good, fast, pacey, tricky. Hey, the guy good bar. You get. Look at Arsenal side. Eberecheze, Nkapi, Merino, Bukayo Saka, Timber. 5 key players not going to be available. You get. So now so it be. So we'll see how everything goes up today. I pray the boys get luck. No matter what happens, we must not get beaten. Worst case scenario should be a draw. Best case scenario should be a win. 1-0, 1-2, 1, anyhow, just a win is the best case scenario. Then the worst case scenario I want to see today, now say we go there, we go draw. Now, when you look at another blockbuster match will go happen, look at Real Madrid versus Bayern. When you look at Real Madrid, they always wipe the floor with Bayern. So today's match is an opportunity for Bayern to wipe the floor with Real Madrid. I will not say Real Madrid, that's Santiago Bernabeu. Especially Arsenal, many things they go struggle. You get. So I don't know what will happen today, but if you want to look at history, Madrid they always win. When I said the report, I was like, wow, Madrid they always do fantastically well. All right, so Raya self when you talk about the Arsenal match, say we must enjoy this massive opportunity. This match we won't play. We'll see how the match will go. We are in a really, really good position, especially in the Premier League, and obviously we have an opportunity tonight to win. And then we'll see what happens. But the most important thing is to enjoy being together and enjoy being out here playing football, because you don't enjoy it. If you don't enjoy it, it's not worth it. We triumphed 5-1 in Lisbon last season, going up against the Sporting side. Now, similar players, when we play them, we will beat them. In fact, they were stronger then compared to now. You get when we meet them. So now we're seeing right ourselves the talk. So more to see. Now, away from that, maybe we unpack Arteta press conference we do yesterday. So on the training session, I think the training session has to have different elements, and it has to be related to the messages that we send and the compromises and commitments that we've done between us. I try to have all those messages and commitments as much as possible in as many situations as possible, and training was one of them. On what that meant, he said it stays in the dressing room, whether they use pencil, I don't know what they do. It stays in there. Now, on when he started noticing Victor Gyokeres, he said, well, it has been on our radar. Look, I skip now. On if he is where he thought Gyokeres would be in his first season, I think it's where he is and how successful this season is going to be for us. And when we analyze this season, is going to be defined in the last 7 or 8 weeks of the season. That's clear. Yes. Now, away from that slide, so whether the team will be fired up to being questioned, that is football. From the last game of the season, that's going to be questioned. What about Arsenal this season? Is going to be like this for the next 9 months, and that's going to continue. That's never going to change when you play at this level for the club. There's always going to be a question mark, and that's it. You have to live in the present. You have to deliver it every day. You cannot pick the games. You cannot pick the moments or the actions. It's every action, every game, every moment. That's the standard that we set, and that's part of identity and it's part of this football club. With the Gyokeres facing his former club. So Adela said, well, I think he's very excited. Obviously, he's full of gratitude for his time here. The time he talks about the club, the players, the staff, everybody around the club, the experience that he has had, how important that part of his journey in sporting has been, and now it's us now. It's a quarterfinal of the Champions League. He's never played at this level in the competition, and obviously you can imagine what it means to him. Yeah. Now, on whether he has noticed a difference in Gyokeres after scoring for Sweden, those are experiences that you put in your veins, I would say. It doesn't get much better than putting your country into a World Cup with a goal that you scored. That's still there. And that's going to be there for the rest of his career. Like all the moments that he had here, the moments that he's creating for us, that's the story that he's creating. And hopefully tomorrow is going to show another very good side of him against Sporting. We'll be here. Now, on whether he's seen from his side and since Saturday, skip. On whether it changes the importance of Tuesday's game, skip. On whether Gabriel Magalhaes, Declan Rice, and Trossard are available, Arteta said yes, they are going to play. On whether he has spoken to Gyokeres about sporting, of course I did. I go on learn one or two now because 19 teammates then. So just to understand the dynamics, the culture here, the things that they have talked about, the thing that they have obviously discussed when they play against us, and to have more information about them that we can use in our favor. A lot of qualities. Obviously, what they are doing is remarkable. The record that they have at home is just incredible. So you need to be very good to maintain that level of performance and consistency. On what the difference are between Sporting this season and last season, we will beat them. Every moment of a team is different. Obviously, they're in a high moment, especially the way they got into the quarterfinals as they scattered Bodo Glimt. Even Man City got to be scattered Bodo Glimt like that. Inter gone. So they played very well. For example, here against Paris in the recent form, and that's it. The moment the whistle goes, it's a game. She's not saying this will beat PSG 2-1. This Sporting this month. They're not small, oh. That's why the coach they run him out. They're not small, oh. They're good, oh. You get. So on how Arteta feels positive after the two defeats. First of all, analyzing what I've done, the decisions I've made, the reason why we lost, and what I would have done differently if I had to play the game again or make the selection again and send them certain messages. That's the first thing. And then understand what the players need in the moment and what kind of manager or what kind of message is the best one to perform and to be better the next day. And that's my only focus about me. It's about them and trying to help. That's my job and focus on that. Yes. Now, away from that, on whether he has any concerns about his player emotions, skip. On what it means about identity, on avoiding panic, very, very key, on avoiding panic in this game. I think what we have to do is clear, instead of panic, understand if that happens, why it happened. Bring clarity when you analyze that and you accept that to be better. That's it. And that's the thing we have to do. This kind of game, no go panic because Sporting get the capability of scoring the first goal. So no go the panic he gets. Now, on the challenge wey Sporting dey present, say before we play them as well, when you look at what they've done, especially at home, the way they have behaved in the Champions League, the teams they have beaten, we know how hard this match will be. That's why we want it even more. So it's what the new players offer in terms of freshness, we'll skip. Now, away from that, on Bukayo Saka and Jurgen Timber, they are having trouble. They are not ready yet. Let's see. Hopefully, they are going to be ready for the weekend if everything goes well, and that's a massive boost because in recent days we have lost so many important players, and that's something that we need to change immediately. You get, and that's very very key. You get. So on Sporting manager Rui Borges, they say every coach has their own thing. I think he's connected to the team, with the team and the club in a really powerful way, and he's doing a great job on Sporting's adaptability. Well, a lot because that's the reason why they are here. They have a lot of quality, and as you say, a lot of variability within the spaces that a lot of players can occupy in the attacking phase, and then they can unbalance the game because they have individual quality, and you haven't mentioned some others as well, that they have the capacity to do that. Obviously, the phase of play when those players get in those positions starts earlier normally. So the problem starts earlier than sometimes in the moment it's too late to give the solution. That's what we are trying to do. Go the cocoa be say this match no go easy, no go easy. But at the end of the day, we need to show why we are Arsenal. We can't lose three straight games in three different competitions. E no go well. E no go make any sense. So, like I've said earlier, the worst case scenario I want to see today is a draw for me. So, Arteta I say that match we play against Southampton, we no really deserve to lose that match. But this is football, and you get punished for things that are related to your identity. That's the thing we need to defend. The strongest, see, make I no lie for you, we deserve to lose that match because we were not the better team. Nobody go come outside and tell me say Southampton were not the better team. If you are the better team in the game, you're supposed to win. It's black. If they say that you win or you lose, because draw no follow for that match. Penalty must involve. There must be a winner, right? So this argument, we were not the better team that day. But I understand Arteta trying to protect the mental health of his players. I understand that's why we live on that way. Now, Sporting Lisbon self when they blame Arsenal say na Arsenal no sabi use Victor Gyokeres well. That's why in the struggle. So first of all, if I say okay, maybe Arteta Arsenal style of play was the reason for his initial struggle, so he need to adapt. But after so many games now, Basi believe some na Arsenal. I believe in the initial stage, you had to adapt given the style of play and how Arsenal play. Borges was saying, you can say na Arsenal hand he did. But however, the coach still believes say Gyokeres is a great forward and he's back to what he does, which is scoring goals. During the first stage, the Arsenal fans were suspicious given what they paid for him. But little by little, the truth came to the surface, and he's a really great player and he will keep scoring goals. So now, in the return to informer team, they're motivated to happen. Now, away from that, Chris Whitley second let us know say Ramsey don't retire from football at the age of 35. Aaron Ramsey, yes, so he don't retire once our fan favorite. Yes, so that's it. Be. Now, Serge Gnabry going to talk about Madrid. He say we are in a great moment of form, and Madrid are also the same thing. Real Madrid beat Man City very clearly, which seems a little bit unexpected to me, to everybody, because for everybody, just be like a giant slaying. So we played against them 2 seasons ago. We had the opportunity to pass, but they turned the game around in the last minutes. We want to go back and win this time. Again, because if I didn't interested in the game, I will see how it will go. So Arteta on Arsenal moved after the last two defeats. We are hungrier than ever, very excited and motivated. When Arteta you talk all these things, I laugh, but like everybody will say, talk is cheap. Talk is cheap. We want to see the action on the pitch. No be talk, cho. Now I'm going to bring you a message from Mobile World Associates and Co-Limited, MC Construction Services, Dredging, Canalization, Real Estate and Shop Protection Works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So we want to reach out to them, call them on +2348064642234, and they're located on number 7 Kennywood Road of Razi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. If you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. Also, I could bring you messages from Leaders Educational Services and Tours Limited. Then they do UK visa. So if you want to travel go United Kingdom, 2.5 million is total package. What do they need from you now? Your international passport, 60% down payment to start processing, then $180 visa application fee paid separately. After you do that, they will run your application processing, the travel itinerary, complete document processing and guidance, the whole 9 yards. So if you're interested, call 00659 and their number is at the bottom of the screen. So do well to get in touch with them ASAP. To Vincent Company said we talk about the Real Madrid match. Say him thinks the Bernabeu is the toughest stadium to play away in this competition. Shebi na this night, we'll see how everything will be. So with that being said, the biggest news of the day, now be the fact say Sporting Lisbon coach say Arsenal go see wetin they never see before for today game. Sporting go show them wetin Sporting never ever do for their own history. With that being said, I think it's a fine place for us to condition and like come your way later in the evening to give you the evening news. And thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Not game out. All right, guys. Ciao.